In this video, we are looking at a narrow CPR scan for trending stocks, right? So these stocks have narrow CPR for next week on 1 hour time frame, and they are going to be trending. So these are the stocks that are coming up. Okay. First stock is, let's go to TMUS. Okay, you can see the narrow CPR here, bullish and narrow CPR. Entry is bearish here. Okay, so you have to watch. Okay, so now let me just do one minute. Studies. Say 10. Look back. Okay, 10. Okay, that's one stock. So next stock is VZ, right? It's Verizon. So that also has a narrow CPR. I think it's going to resolve to the upside, but here selling on our side, selling over here. Okay. Next is Gilead, GILD. GILD. Okay, you can see bullish. You can see narrow CPR here. Okay. CSX, one more stock. Chart. CSX. Okay. So bullish. You see a sell signal here. Okay. So we are on a 1 hour time frame. You can see a narrow CPR here. Okay. So how can you play this? Okay, let's see how can you play this option. Okay, so we are going to be looking at, let's look at this TMUS, right? So this one. Let's look at option stack. Okay, so build. Okay, now you can say inverse and inverse and butterfly. Okay, let's say TMUS. I don't think that will work. I don't see it's going to work. Okay, let's look at inverse and condor. Okay, oh, that's also not going to work. Let's look at our 16th. Let's look at inverse and butterfly. 16. Yeah, this is going to be long. It's not going to happen. It's not going to be that bullish. So stock has to jump $7. Okay. So what are the other options? Okay, so let's say put broken wing butterfly. Okay. So this part here. This also will not work. Okay, so I think it's going to be tough. No sign condo. Okay, it's going to be tough to build. Okay, but you can probably do a, if you think it's bullish, you can do a bull put. Okay, you can just say 75, 70, up to $85 credit. Okay, if you want to buy a put, you can also do what you can do is you can just say I want to also buy a right click, buy a call. Okay, so if the stock moves drastically, you're basically funding it with the credit you're collecting. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.